touch that trigger until you're ready to kill it. Okay? They're about 10 yards from your range, okay? So start getting on, aim at them like you're ready to shoot them, okay? Are you looking at them through the scope? Yeah. Look at them through the scope and get there. Get one on them. Get one to hit on. Move your gun if you have to. Move your gun slowly. Slowly. Pick it up a little and just start sliding towards them quick. Nice and still. Can you see that one in the back? Yeah. If you're comfortable, shoot him. Slide, slide, slide. Slide, slide, slide. Get on him. Get on him. They're in range now. When you can shoot one, okay? You gotta make it happen here. Gotta do it. Can you get on him? Get on him quick, okay? Get ready to shoot. Get your finger ready. Shoot him. Shoot one. Got him. Nice shot, buddy. Bam! Boom! He's down. He's down. Oh, yeah! What do you think, bud?
That's not an easy shot.
Dude, I was trying to do it without stopping him. Get safety. Yep. Good. Enough safety. Dude, that turkey is down, and that's a nice tom. I think I GoPro'd the whole thing too. I got my. I think. Sweet.
Oh,
They're still right there.
I cannot believe that was not an easy shot.